What's up, YouTube? We got a 2012 Ford F350 Super Duty with a 6.7 diesel turbo. And today the customer's complaint is a check engine light and ABS light on. So we'll be addressing the ABS light today. Okay, so the first thing I want to do here is hook up the scanner. We'll take this for a test drive and look at some graphed wheel speed sensor data. Okay, what we have here is the left front wheel speed sensor dropping out. What I did notice that this was happening over bumps in the road. So let's have a look and see what we have for codes. I like to do an all system scan. This way we see what's going on with the whole vehicle. Okay, so we'll do a quick scan. Okay. And diagnose, auto scan. Alright, so we're moving along. This will take about another minute. See what we got for codes. Alright, so do a report. Let's see what we got. Okay, so for the PCM we have a vehicle speed sensor A, invalid data received from the brake control module. And then for ABS we have right front wheel speed sensor input circuit fault. I disconnected that, testing it with this tester. The left one is the problem, and rear wheel input signal missing. I also tested that, so that was all disconnected. The left front is the problem. So I'm doing a visual inspection of the wiring and noticed that the harness was kind of brittle right behind the rotor. Another thing I noticed is that this vehicle has new brakes. So to me it looks like things got hot and possibly melted some wires. And after removing the caliper and rotor, taking a look at the harness for the sensor, it's pretty obvious that things did get hot and it did melt. I'll hook up an ABS test tool. We'll check the wiring, make sure the module is still able to see the left side after this. Let's go right into ABS. Live data. And we will pick all of our sensors, left, rear, and right. Those are the only ones we want to see. We'll graph those. Okay, then we'll back up a little bit and show you the hookup we got. Alright, so that's all the green wires go to the sensor. Connector on the harness side.
Got a ground, the black wire
here's the unit. So powered up. And then we'll look at some
data.
So that shows 13 miles an hour. I wiggled the wires all the way. Didn't see no problems. It stayed at 13. So that's how I check. That's how I check the wiring back to the module. Be with that sensor right there. I got that one from AES Wave, about 200 bucks. It's a lot better than having to switch from one side of the vehicle to the other with your wiring. They want you at 100%, so this is what you gotta do.
All data will have you test for more than 10 volts at this connector. And when connected to a known good sensor, back probing pin 1 and 2 should produce a square wave when the wheel is turning. Before putting a new sensor in, you want to clean the hub like this. I use a valve stem cap to plug the hole to stop dirt from getting in there. And this is how I install and remove the cap. Okay, so the vehicle is put back together with a left front new wheel speed sensor. I'm on a test drive grafting some data for the left front, right front, and rear wheel speed sensor, and it all looks pretty good, so we're done. I rescanned the PCM and ABS module for codes and nothing came back, so pretty much done here. Everything looked pretty good, so vehicle is fixed.